Hey everyone, if Silent Hill F is crashing, not launching, or won't start on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several step-by-step solutions to fix the problem so you can get back into the game. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library and locate Silent Hill F. Right-click it and select Properties. On the left side, click Installed Files. Then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and automatically repair them. Once it's done, try launching the game. Solution 2. Right-click Silent Hill F in your Steam library. Select Properties, then click on Installed Files, and then click Browse Local Files. Locate shf.exe, right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK and relaunch the game. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest version, then restart your PC. Solution 4. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it and go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If there's a new driver available, install it. Solution 5. Right-click Silent Hill F again in your library, select Properties, then click Installed Files, and then click Browse. Open the Engine folder, then the Extras folder, then the Redist folder, and then the en-us folder. Right-click the file UE Prereq Setup x64 and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes, accept the license terms, and press Install. Wait for the setup to finish, then restart your PC. Solution 6. Right-click Silent Hill F and select Properties. Go to the General tab. In Launch Options, type -DX11 to run with DirectX 11. If that doesn't work, type -DX12 to run with DirectX 12. If neither works, clear the Launch Options box. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Silent Hill F not launching or crashing on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.